Hello guys, so I came across this site and I decided to kind of upload a video on it. It's a new site anyway, and massive withdrawal have been going on here, and I decided to try it on, and it has been giving me an up to $14 each day benefit. So this site contains no investment, and I'm going to show you the easy ways that you can make money and mine in this site, how to withdraw them, and my withdrawal proof. So I'm going to be doing everything here, so I would like you to follow the step-to-step processes, and you're going to withdraw with me after the video. First of all, I would like you to subscribe to my YouTube channel, click the notification bell to get alerted whenever I post a new video, and make sure you join our Telegram group for our daily giveaways. So how to log into this site, I'll be dropping the link on my description. If you were not able to see it on my description, simply go to the Telegram group. I will be placing it down in the Telegram group. So let's go. First of all you need to do is to log into this site. So how to log in? So I've just logged in before, so I'm just going to log out and start the procedures once more again. So this is a new page. When you click the link, it is going to take you up to this page. All you need to do is to click on the button here, which is login. You're going to fill in your email, your username, your email address, the password. Then you have to repeat the password and then the robot's face. Then after that, since I've logged into this password, I'm going to go straight and log into my email and password. So guys, I just logged into this site. So I'm going to teach you the 3 ways that you can make money using this site, and after that I'm going to withdraw from this site, and I'm also going to give you the bonus which they are also going to give for you to increase your mining rates and other stuff. So first of all, we have this homepage which I showed you before, and the range at which people have been making money to this site. We have about 9,500 users or 97,000 users. So the days of their work are only 11 days, and their paid out is above $32. So the investment made here is only about 700 and something thousand dollars, but the paid out, like I said, is $32. So I'm going to show you the way to make money into this site without investing, and the way you can transfer the money into your bank, your Binance, your Trust wallet, or another wallet that you are using. So let's get started. So the first thing you need to know is to get to your dashboard. Then open up. Can you get to your dashboard? You can see different mining accounts here. Like you can see, it is already mining Tron. I'm going to stop it so that I can be able to show you guys how to do so. So my total power is 451, which is 451 VH power, and the used power is 0. Then the percentage I have here is 2% plan. So let's go. So I'm going to show you how to increase your total power, how to use up your power, and how to increase your percentage without putting a dime. So let's go. My best coin is always on Doge, so I'm going to go to Doge and start mining Doge because I love Doge. So let's go. So let me increase the mining capacity of Doge to 100%. So I have increased the mining capacity of Doge into 100%. My total power is still 451. Then the used power is 100%. As you can see, the Doge have started mining. So for you to withdraw this Doge, but I'm not going to do that now. I'm going to show you other processes before this. So for you to withdraw this Doge, you simply need to put in your wallet, whether you are using Trust wallet, whether you are using any Binance wallet. Then you are going to put in the amount that you want to withdraw. But first of all, like I said, I'm going to show you other ways that you can make money from this site. The second way is for you to affiliate, which means that you should invite people. I only invited one person here for now, and he is actually doing good. And for you to invite more persons, because the more you invite more persons, your percentage will be increasing by 15%, which means if you are making about, let's just say, 0.88 bitcoin, you'll be making about 1.2 bitcoins. So let's go. For you to invite a person, all you need to hear is to click on the link in this invite link and just click OK to copy the link, and you can share it to your WhatsApp, your Telegram, your YouTube, your TikTok, and so much more to invite people. So in that way, you will be able to make money using this site. The third way to make money using this site, first of all, I am not your financial advisor, and I will not be advising you to use this way to make money. The other way is to deposit, but like I said, do not deposit if you are not sure of this site. You have to make your researches before you invest in this site. But moreover, to get your bonus, to increase your bonus, for you to mine more coins in this site, all you need to is to click on the bonus. When you click on the bonus, simply click on get bonus. Then an extra 2 bonus will be added to you, so you don't need to worry about your bonus bundle finishing or buying a bonus bundle. All you need to wait is for the next bonus. So after that, like I said, invite more persons to the site and mine in the site. The another one, like I said, is withdrawal. So I started mining this site today, so I'm going to post the next video on my Telegram group on how I withdrawed, which I'll be doing tomorrow, and I'm going to be showing you my withdrawal proof. I have other withdrawal proof for other sites that I've already mined, and I have shown other persons that have engaged in the same activity, the proof, as they are commenting and showing me their own proof too. So guys, make sure that you join us and never miss out in today's updates.